Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today, as you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Smile Direct Club Incorporated. This is ticker symbol SDC. This is honestly one of my favorite stocks on the entire stock market right now. One of my favorite, potential investment opportunities. This is a company that, just so we all know, I have some 2023 call options in. I think that they are going to be hopefully a very, very good growth play going forward into the future. But also, I am very interested in and really like the fact that they have such a big following on different social medias and stuff as well. You know, really big on Twitter, really big on Reddit. This is a popular stock, which can mean good and bad things. You know, it means there's people who want to see it fail and want to see it drop, but it also means there's always going to be a ton of, buying power and momentum and rallying behind it. But I also think this is just an overall undervalued stock that, while yes, it has the meme potential, it has the short squeeze potential, I think it does have a lot of, the business, obviously, potential going forward as well. And I think we've seen this stock drop a ton since IPO, and I think some of it was unfair. I know they went through I don't know if it was getting hacked, but whatever, issues they had with their electronics and databases and all that really hurt them in terms of revenue and everything. But there has been a lot of good news coming out for this stock recently. Today was obviously a very, very good day, up almost 7%. We're down about 0.5% after hours, but we got as high as $6.18 today, $6.24 today. This is very, very good. This was a very, very big day. And one of the big stories coming out, this is actually on the short squeeze subreddit, SDC Let's Go. There's this tweet that said, SDC breaking news. Appointment booking for Smile shops are booked out 1 week in advance in Europe. SDC Europe, which was lagging last quarter, is now on fire. So this is obviously very, very good news in terms of growing that international brand for Smile Direct Club. Again, like they said, Europe internationally maybe was lagging previously, was not doing as well, but if they are starting to get more and more bookings, if these things are filling up, if these things are being backed up, if they are having not only interest in people showing up and people making appointments and people booking, but an abundance of people, they're having to push some people back, turn them away a little bit, that is definitely a great, great sign for Smile Direct Club. Now, going forward in the future, they need to continue to grow. They need to, grow this more. I'd like to see, pushing people back a month in advance and seeing that all over the world, not just, one guy talking about it in Europe, but I do think that this is a very, very good sign. Again, I do think that unfairly and unrightfully so, Smile Direct Club has kind of been pushed down and down and down. I think it's gotten into an oversold position. That is why I started building out my position. That's why I started buying leaps on it, these long-term call options. That's why, I am really, really excited for Smile Direct Club. But another big reason of why Smile Direct Club has some potential and some momentum going right now is another one of the meme stocks. BBIG, Vinco Ventures, actually went down like 30% today. So there were a lot of people paper handing, jumping ship from BBIG and looking for another potential meme play, another potential short squeeze play, another community to be a part of, another stock to rally behind that isn't going to drop 30% a day, that isn't getting killed or crushed right now. I know a lot of people are flocking to ATER, a lot of people are flocking to Prog or AMC or GME. There's so many different competing communities, interests, and groups right now, all fighting for kind of the same group of people, more or less fighting for their money, but some of those people will definitely be going to Smile Direct Club. Some of those people will definitely be, free agents, for lack of a better word, looking for another community to join. So if Smile Direct Club can continue to push out good news, continue to, look like they're going to have good earnings reports and stuff going forward, if they can continue to be a stock that continues to go up in value as well, because obviously people aren't jumping out of a stock down 30% to go lose 30 more percent on another stock, I think this can be a very, very interesting one. Obviously, Smile Direct Club sitting at right around, $6, we'll call it right now, the 52-week high being 16. Now, should you just base stuff off of all-time highs and say that it's undervalued because of that? No, absolutely not. But I do think that it shows that, you're not exactly buying the bottom. The bottom is $4.63, but we're not that far off the bottom. Now, could things fall further? Yes, but I do think, if you are one of the traditional investors that wants to buy low and sell high, I think, there could be worse times to start a position in a company like SDC if you are someone that believes in this in the long term. Now, me, obviously, with 2023 call options and potentially picking up 2024 call options as well, not everyone would say 3 years is the longest investment ever, but that's as far as the call options go out. I am definitely interested in this one for the long run. So I love that it's going up 7% today. I love to see my account, my portfolio going up, but in the grand scheme of things, this thing's going to be volatile. It's going to continue to go up and down. None of this at the end of the day is going to matter that much. It's going to matter what this thing can do headed into the future, 2, 3, 5, 10 years from now. And that's really where I personally think Smile Direct Club can continue to grow their brand, continue to capture market share, continue to make a good name for themselves, and continue spreading not only domestically in the United States, but internationally all over, and can make people a ton of money, whether it's meme investors, short squeezers, or long-term investors like myself who just believe in the business model, believe in the company, believe in the management team. And yeah, I think this one is very, very exciting. A lot of good news coming out for Smile Direct Club right now. The stock's running hot. Things are looking good. Today was a good day. I hope this will be a good week, a good month, and a good rest of the year. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about SDC. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.